Cutting-edge innovation and technology shouldn't be cold and unreachable. It should be fun and part of daily life. This is eStar's world-first holographic smartphone. So, how do we generate glass-free holograms on smartphones? When we're looking at our smartphone, a camera will quickly track our eye movement. Eye tracking data is sent to our on-chip signal processing unit. It's quickly processed by our eye tracking system, which will lock on to where our eyes are looking. This is very important. Our eye tracking system will adjust the hologram generated based on where your eyes are looking, and you'll immediately see the holographic effect. This is the world's first holographic smartphone with our pioneering eye tracking technology. An innovation dedicated to the smartphone application. We call this smart holographics. You'll find 4 cameras on our holographic phone. A perfect air interface. The dual lens camera on the back is not just for taking holographic images, but more importantly, it's designed to collect and process holographic data. So what new user experience will such an innovative holographic smartphone bring us? No more dizziness or narrow viewing angles when watching movies in 3D. A truly immersive way to watch videos in 3D. Game playing becomes more fun and thrilling. Distance is no longer a problem. Lifelike product displays for online shopping. Complex traffic systems become easy to navigate. Education is no longer boring, but fun and lively. Anytime, anywhere, 3D scanning and printing. Well, all this is just the beginning. eStar will continue to create new technologies for holographic applications. We make the impossible possible and create better lives.
Grand and spectacular screen images from a tiny 4.5 centimeter cube. SmartBeam is an incredibly simple-to-use personal projector that works with your mobile devices. Just press the power button on the right, connect it to your smartphone, and you're all ready to go. SmartBeam automatically traces a video from your smartphone and projects it on the screen through the lens in front. The incredible value of SmartBeam, powered by decent design and smart features realized by technology. 4.5 centimeters on all dimensions and 129 grams. This ultralight device boasts incredible brightness of up to 35 ANSI lumens, amazing color representations enabled by DLP technology, as well as a battery that lasts for 2 hours, and a screen that expands up to 100 inches, depending on your comfortable distance. With the smart design honored at the 2013 IF Awards perfected by an aluminum finish, SmartBeam allows you to project images easily on the wall or the ceiling without an additional support. The joy of viewing your favorite content on a large screen anywhere, anytime. Educational material for your kids, as well as movies, games, books, video chatting, internet surfing, and more. Experience multimedia contents in your smartphone with SmartBeam, making your smart imagination into a reality. That's SmartBeam for.
Please ha iloobin like, comment and share. waan ku mahadsantahay daawashada aad daawatay. aad baan kaa mahadcelinaya.